Dear students, a cheerful good morning to all of you. Are you happy to be always at home without going to school? Okay. Students, all of us love freedom. Freedom is the most basic need of every living creature on this earth. We want to be free to play games, to meet friends, to go to school, to watch movies, and so on. Freedom is our birthright. We cannot be happy without freedom. Gold, wealth, money, and comforts cannot make us happy without freedom. We can say the same thing about birds and animals. In the lesson, we are going to see the bird says, I cannot sing if I am not free, and if I cannot sing, I will die. This is the meaning of freedom. So, freedom is the most beautiful thing in the world. Students, we are now going to discuss about the theme of freedom in today's lesson. The name of the lesson is Princess September. The name of the writer is Somerset Maugham. The chapter is divided into two parts. Let's begin with the first part. This part begins with King of Siam. The king had 9 daughters. He named them after the names of months, January, February, and so on. The youngest was called September. The king had a peculiar way of celebrating his birthday. Instead of receiving gifts, he used to give away gifts to others. One year, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. One morning, Princess September found the parrot whom she loved so dearly lying dead in the cage. She became very sad and heartbroken. But fortunately, another bird more talented than the parrot that hopped into her room. She welcomed the bird with delight. It sang melodiously and sweetly. Princess September felt proud of the bird. She decided to show her bird to her 8 sisters. The birds sang a different song for each of them. The king and the queen were also delighted to hear the bird's song. It sang like a skylark and a nightingale. The 8 princes became very jealous of September because she was very happy. They tried to plot against Princess September. They tried to make her hate the bird. They told her that the bird would fly away and so it should be put into the cage. The first part ends here. In the second part, we see how one day the bird disappeared and came back late after attending a party arranged by his father-in-law. The 8 sisters said that the bird was a betrayer and that he would never return to her once he starts liking some other girls. Now Princess September began to feel uneasy. She loved the bird like anything. She did not want to lose him. So she decided to take no more risk. So she took the bird and pushed him into the cage. The bird was shocked. It was unusual to the bird, as he had been free so far. One day, the bird was half dead and refused to sing. The bird said to Princess September, "If I am not free, I won't sing. If I don't sing, I will die." Princess September was horrified to hear it. She granted him his freedom. She admitted that she had been selfish, as she had put her own happiness first without caring for the happiness of the bird. So the princess put the bird at the window. Before flying away, he promised to come again. Princess September kept her window open day and night. The bird came in and went out freely. The fresh air coming to her room through the open window made her charming and beautiful. And she married the king of Cambodia. Her 8 sisters, who kept their windows shut, became very ugly, and they were married off to king's counselors. This is the story of Princess September. Do you like the story? Have you understood the story? Of course. Students, what lesson does the story teach us? First of all, freedom is the most beautiful and valuable thing in the world. Secondly, if we love someone, we should put his or her happiness before our own. Is the message clear to you? Okay?